Hi guys, welcome to Homestead Kitchen Living. Well, I did it. I got 100+ subscribers. It's thanks to you guys. Thank you very much. And to celebrate this week, I made myself a really fancy dessert. Check that out. Chocolate chip Oreo Cheesecake. Top that off with a little bit of caramel. Can't be beat. It's almost too good to be true. Come follow me along in this video. My God, what did you eat? Oh yeah, worth every bit of it. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Just remember, when the going gets tough, it's tough to find something to eat. Best way to do that is cook it yourself. Homestead Kitchen Living. Making cooking fun again. Don't forget, if you liked it, click the like button, subscribe, share it with a friend. Don't forget to remember to thank our Creator. My prayer is that Jesus would keep you safe until we meet again. Thanks again.